So this is a very simple HL7 v2 production with 3 routers that I'm using. I'm in namespace broad. I have the same production set up in the namespace test as well. And I've been using the verification tooling to take a baseline from the prod namespace and do a second run in my test namespace to see if the behavior changed. This is the output of this run, and we can see that the baseline in prod generated 2,000 messages, while the second run in test also generated 2,000 messages. 10 files have a different content, so that something is different there. We have 0 missing files and 0 new files. So overall, the KPI, which is a value between 0 and 100, where 100 means everything is identical and 0 means everything is different, and 99 is actually a pretty good value. So if you take a look at the message viewer for the first issue, we can always see the first line of a segment is the output of the baseline run, while the second is the same segment from the second run. And we can see that the name of the first name of this patient got changed. And that's the same for all of these issues that we're seeing here for all 10. And obviously is a very simple case, so that should be simple to fix. In a more complicated scenario, the baseline run generated 9 messages. The second run generated only 8. So there's 1 missing file. Out of these 8 messages, 3 are different in content. So if you take a look at the first one, we can see that there are a couple of fields where the values definitely are different than we would expect them to be. For the second issue, we can see the missing file. The first segment is from the baseline run, but the second run didn't actually have any content for that file, so that's why we're seeing it empty here. The third case seems to be good, but if we scroll down, we can see that the second run actually did generate an OBX segment that was not generated in the baseline run. So overall, this is a tool which allows you to quickly identify if the behavior between 2 different runs changed or if everything is okay.